Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting tutorial for you all. We're diving into how to get the Fortnite mobile for iOS outside Europe. No keys required. It's super easy to set up, and I promise you it'll only take about 2 to 3 minutes of your time. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be ready to roll. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Personally, I'll be using Safari for this, but don't worry. It works with any browser you prefer. Next, head to the website where we'll grab the Fortnite mobile. I'll drop the link on the screen for you. Once you're there, search for Fortnite mobile and it should pop right up at the bottom of the list. Like you see the buttons asking you to choose your device type. I'm going to choose iOS, then download. Once you've done that, the download will start automatically. Now, here's the catch. If the website is busy or there's high traffic, you might be asked to complete a quick union verification step, but it's really easy. You just need to download an app or two or something like that. Once the download is finished, you're all set to enjoy your Fortnite mobile. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a sub, and show it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.